Alright, cool. What to do, YouTube? It's your boy. And I'm gonna be trying to take out this dent I got from my car a while back and see if y'all can see the indentation. Yeah, you can see it there better. But yeah, that's the before. And I don't know, I saw this on Amazon for like, I'm gonna say less than 20 bucks. And I just want to give it a try to see if I can try to take it off myself or make it look a little better, you know, because this dent's kind of really bugging me. But yeah, let's try to make this a little quick video. Water, damn, all right. So what I gotta do first is put hot water. So that's why I'm boiling the water. Let me go show you real quick. So yeah, I'm boiling some water right now. It's almost about to boil. Oh, there it goes. So once that's done, I'm gonna just try to take out the dent by myself, you feel me? So without further ado, no more talking and just get into it, guys. So what it just pretty much says, make sure it's hot. Always make sure there's good suction before lifting. Here's the instruction in case you guys want to pause. Let's get into trying to take this little dent off, guys. Let's go. Ooh, that's hot. I can feel that. All right, now that it's hot, let's take the big one. Okay, kind of better. You guys can tell it kind of. Oh god, this piece right here, that's gonna be a bitch because it has to be on a flat surface. Close it up, and what the? This one, bitch. Does it look better, guys? A little bit. Just that bottom one is like it's hard. Alright, let me try to do this off camera and see if I can make it a little better. But pretty much, looks a little better. I'll try to put a before and after right now. So here's after, and here's before. And here's after. It looks a little better, it's not as noticeable. But let me put it down. I'm gonna play with it for a little bit, and then I'll come back and give you all my opinion and see if it made it much better. It already made it look much better. But yeah, let me get into it and see if I can try to fix that little dent right there. All right. So give me a little bit, guys. All right, guys. Actually, no luck. I just pulled out the really big dent, most of it, but there's still a little bit right there. Not too noticeable because I wanted to give it a try for like 20 bucks and some hot water. So yeah, there it is. Here's how it's supposed to look. That's how it's supposed to look, but obviously it does not look like that because y'all saw what happened. But honestly, not too bad. Just that big one right there. Like I said, whenever I do take my car to the body shop or I find a good price on it, I'm gonna go ahead and get it fixed. But like maybe in the future, because if I want to take get something painted, like say I want to take off the wrap and go back to black, I want to go paint my bumper, I'm going to tell the people, hey yo, how much would it cost also to fix this little dent right here? Nothing too bad, still looks pretty good. And yeah guys, so that's the video. Like I said, if y'all want to check out this little product, I found it on Amazon and worked pretty good. So yeah, appreciate all the love, guys. And I'll see y'all in the next one, guys. Peace out.